Hello friends, let's solve question number 3 now. Prove that 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of altitude. So here first we need to draw an equilateral triangle. So here I have drawn an equilateral triangle with the vertices ABC. So what is meant by equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all the sides are equal, then such triangle is called equilateral triangle. So here have taken the side as a small a such that all the three sides will be equal for the equilateral triangle. After that AD will be nothing but altitude for the given triangle. So what is meant by altitude? Altitude is nothing but the perpendicular bisector. Okay. So here from the vertex A, I have just drawn an altitude to the side BC. Okay. Okay. So here the side we have taken it as small a and the altitude is AD here. So just write whatever you have did till now. So here from triangle ABC, side is equals to AB equals to BC equals to AC equals to small a units. Okay. Side is we have taken as small a units. So therefore altitude, what is altitude? It's nothing but perpendicular bisector which I have drawn from the vertex A to the side BC. So altitude AD, altitude equals to AD, altitude is equals to AD. So since here the triangle is an equilateral triangle, we know that area of an equilateral triangle, what is area of an equilateral triangle formula? Area of an equilateral triangle equals to root 3 by 4 a square, where a is the side here. Correct? Area of an equilateral triangle is equals to root 3 by 4 a square, where a is side. Correct? Where a is side. Because here in the solution also I have assumed the side as a units only. So this formula applies to this triangle. And what is the general formula for the area of a triangle? It's nothing but 1 by 2 into base into height. Correct? Area of triangle equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. This is the area of equilateral triangle. This is root 3 by 4 a square. And area of a triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. However, areas is equal. Whatever formula you apply, the solution will be the same. So height is nothing but altitude. Okay. So what will I do? You just put it as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Therefore, equation 1 is equals to equation 2 since the solution for areas of the triangle remains the same irrespective of the formula whatever you apply. Okay. So now let us equate it. So root 3 by 4 a square equals to 1 by 2 into, what is the base for the triangle we have taken here? It's BC. 1 by 2 into BC into, what is height? Height, it's nothing but altitude. Okay. So it's AD. Okay. Altitude, perpendicular bisector, height, everything is same. Okay. So root 3 by 4 a square equals to 1 by 2 into BC into AD. So we have taken here the side AB, BC, AC, three sides as A units. So what will I do? In the place of BC I am substituting A. Okay. Root 3 by 4 a square equals to 1 by 2 into a into, I am just putting altitude as AD only. Okay. So here a and a will be cancelled off since it is a square and it is a. So this will be cancelled off. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So root 3 by 2 a equals to AD. Okay. I'm just sending this to the right hand side. So root 3a equals to 2AD. Just apply squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So it becomes root 3a whole square equals to 2ad whole square. So root 3 whole square, it's nothing but 3. 3a square equals to 4ad square. 3a square equals to 4ad square. This is what we got. What is a here? Side of the equilateral triangle. It means what can we write? Therefore 3 times the square of side of any 3 times the square of side of any side of an 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the, what we got, 4 times the square of AD is the altitude, right? 4 times the square of altitude. So this is what they asked us to prove, right? Hence proved. Simple it is. See, I'll explain you very briefly now. So here I have just taken an equilateral triangle with the sides, equal sides. Equilateral triangle, it's nothing but the triangle in which all sides are equal. So here I have taken side as A units. Altitude, it's nothing but bisector, perpendicular bisector, which we have drawn from the vertex A to the opposite side. Okay. So here altitude as AD. We know that area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, and general formula for area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. Whatever formula you apply, the area of the triangle remains the same. So equation 1 can be equated with equation 2. So when you equate the both formulas here, in the place of BC, it's nothing but, base is nothing but in the triangle, BC is nothing but the base of the triangle. So in the place of BC, I have substituted A. It is nothing but side. So 1 by 2 into A into AD is nothing but height or altitude, anything is same. So when you do this and simplify, you will be getting answer as 3a square equals to 4ad square, which means nothing but 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of altitude. Clear? So this is the solution. So I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.